Hi everyone, this is a video on passing multiple text items as an input. So let's say that I am an account executive and I work for a certain company and I'm trying to reach out to an executive at another company. And what I have is my company's name. I want to pass the name of the company I am prospecting and the title of the executive I'm prospecting. And if this was the information that I wanted, and if I were to now run this, and let's say the name of my company is Pigment, and the name of the company I'm targeting is Sigma Computing, and the executive I'm targeting is the CFO. And I just pass this as comma separated, and I run this. And what I have here is I'm basically saying list out the name of the company we're targeting, and the executive title. And if we go to activities, you can see it says company, target company, Sigma Computing, executive title, CFO. What you noticed here is that I didn't say that this is the company I work for. I didn't say this is the company I'm targeting. I didn't say this is the title. It's smart enough to figure it out. Now, we also know with Gen AI that if you're not very specific, it can make mistakes. And this is like telling anybody if I give some information, how do I know that, Sigma wasn't the company I work for and Pigma is the company I'm targeting? So the best practice here is to actually be more specific in your prompt and add something like this, where you basically give it a format. So this way, there's going to be absolutely no doubt. And so now if I go and I click submit and I say company is Pigment, prospect is Sigma Computing, and the title is CFO, and now I run it, you'll still get the same output in that it's not really that different, right? But you'll now notice it called it prospect. In the previous one, it says target company because that's what I'd called it. Uh, but it lists it out, and that's the information it gives you. So this is something to think about is when you're passing multiple text items. And the beauty about AnyQuest is that because it's built from a Gen AI first mindset, it's not like if I have five inputs, then I get like five text boxes or a date or a this or a that. I can just enter it as text, and we're using the LLM to parse out the information and then, extracting it and putting it into the right form that we want to. And obviously, the key to that is being much, much more specific and providing the information. So, for example, if I now wanted to pass a date, I could do that too. I could say comma date, and I could say whatever date is there, like whatever the year. And so those are the kind of things that you can do. And so this is a pattern to just think through when you're passing multiple text items, is to be much very specific in terms of what you pass as the input.